Okay, friends, this one is a group discussion session for Steel Authority of India. So, in SAIL, actually, when there are 11 people who are participating, 11, 12, something size like this, and they will give you 15 minutes to talk in that. And you have to speak in that 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So, let's have a session similar to that today. One of you will introduce the topic, one of you will conclude, and the rest will be the discussion. And then I'll give you the feedback of your discussion part, right? So I'll keep it strictly 15 minutes from introduction. So let me give you the topic, friends. And the topic is uh, free electricity to people, good or bad. You know, politicians promise okay, free electricity will be provided to each one. So the question here is free electricity good or bad? So you have to tell about whether these kind of things should be provided free by government or not. Free electricity, good or bad? Friends, please start the discussion.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening, sir.
I would like
Good evening,
to start the
everyone.
topic.
Thank you so much,
I am
Ramanat.
Nitin.
I'm grateful for this opportunity to start the discussion. Friends, the topic given to us for the discussion is free electricity to the people, good or bad. And in my opinion, this topic is very interesting. And I believe that, yes, by having a free electricity, many people that are not able to pay the basic electric bills, or I can say that many people who are living below the poverty line, they will get this opportunity, and they will definitely going to do a very good progress in their life. But talking about this, there is we also know that we are not in the situation that utility companies are suffering a heavy loss, and I don't think so. That we will able to provide this facility to all the people. So with this, I would like to invite you all in this
Okay.
discussion.
I would like to add one more point here. I would like to add one more point here.
Why not that?
To me,
There should be on the electricity
different
consumption of
unit
the people also, because
we
if
can spend money
so
on
much amount of
like good ration
no. One by one.
सिस्टम जो है
people देश में अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बात हो रही है तो दिल्ली जैसे दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट का जो प्लान है कि
इंडिया में जो
200
डिस्कॉम्स हैं,
यूनिट से
काफी सारे
कम
डिस्कॉम्स हैं, वो भी काफी लॉस में है,
की है, लेकिन
क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट को सब्सिडी प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ती है।
दिल्ली का जो मॉडल है वो टोटली फ्री ना करके जैसे सीजी का जो मॉडल है कि हाफ रेट पे प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है,
लिमिट प्रोवाइड करनी
best
चाहिए।
होगा, क्योंकि आप
Yes,
totally
yes.
अगर
we should define the degree of intensity मतलब we should divide the degree
No.
of
I would like to add one.
we should give
Like to add one point here.
like
See,
200
according
units
to
or
me,
300 units.
according to me, topic
I
is
want to
given.
add one that on certain cases it is good for some classes of person, and
So
it is bad on
if there should be a
classes of
limit.
person. So
If we
No.
first thing,
1000 units, maybe people
good
will
where
misuse
it is
it.
very good. So some
Yes.
underprivileged
Yes,
person, poor
it will be
farmers,
better. It will be better for farmers and the below
then it will
poverty
be
line.
very
And
beneficial.
there are some
Only
According,
there are some
I would like
persons
to add.
like
below
I would like to
poverty
add
line,
point.
then
I would
they
like
will
to add a
provide
point.
only small units.
According
they
to
will
me,
see
there is
the
nothing
energy
free in this
line,
world.
then
they do not
According to me,
subsidize it.
according to me, there is nothing free in this world. हर चीज की कोई ना कोई कीमत होती है. When we are
Yes, right.
come to know that
yes
electricity when we are generating, the companies are bearing so much cost. So according to me, there should be a minimum
Discoms
cost
are
at
many
least.
are discoms are
It may
in
be
the
1
I
rupee per
agree
But
with
unit,
Nitin, I think
1 per unit, or
Maybe
2
the
rupee per
people
unit.
they
but
should have actually they
for
actually
certain
give
They
classes
gave
of
any
persons,
freebies.
it must
If they gave any
uh,
freebies,
money
there
on
is a
others,
certain
so
amount of
government
taking
freebies
their
taking
money.
to
गवर्नमेंट को
make
The
फिर
power
उसकी
of
डिमांड
to
करनी
make
पड़ रही है
society every equal. It should be free to some classes of person.
कंपनी आती है ना
इस केस में गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है ना कि जो बाकी डेवलपमेंट पे पैसा खर्चा
फार्मर्स
होना
को
चाहिए वो
आप
गवर्नमेंट
प्रोवाइड
उसमें
कर दीजिए
प्रोवाइड
या
करेगी
फिर किसी
डिस्कॉम्स को उनका लॉस
बीपीएल
पूरा
से
करने के लिए
नीचे
प्रोवाइड
है
कर रही है
उनको आप
तो
फ्री में
इंडस्ट्रियल
प्रोवाइड कर
में
दीजिए।
तो
तो
आपको 1
उनके लिए
यूनिट
जैसे
को आप
गवर्नमेंट
ज्यादा फी
और
देनी
करके
पड़ती है
स्कीम्स लेके आती है, जैसे फार्मर्स को जब प्रोवाइड करना होता है तो उनके लिए अभी रिसेंट जैसे ग्रीन एनर्जी का जो प्रोजेक्ट है कि सोलर पैनल उनके फार्म्स में इंट्रोड्यूस करा देती है,
सोलर
तो
पंप भी
वो
जो होते हैं
No, that's not the topic. That's
बट
not the
इट
topic.
विल नॉट
That's
गेट
that's why
But
government had made
सक्सेसफुल
some threshold to free electricity. That up to that threshold, it will be given free, and above
यहाँ
that,
पर
you will have to pay something.
like for 200 units
Yeah,
it
मैं एक
should
और
the
पॉइंट डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा
the fixed
अगर
bill
हम
scheme.
2 यूनिट
no,
प्रोड्यूस
Free
कर रहे
bill,
हैं तो
free electricity
there
also
is
given in
कोशिश करेंगे
off-peak
कि
load
हमारा
times.
कंजम्पशन
That means
बढ़े
if the
listen,
off-peak
अगर
load
हम
times we
ज्यादा
can give
बिजली
our free
यूनिट प्रोवाइड करेंगे
electricity
तो मे बी
so that
according to me,
बी
the
मिसयूज है
stability can also be improved.
then the
If we
cost
give
of
free
200
electricity in off-peak loads,
वो
then grid
तो
stability will also improve. For
half rate
example,
every
if we
coin
give
has
farmers at
every
night time free
according to
electricity,
me,
इज
every
इट
coin
गवर्नमेंट
has
डूइंग
two
दिस
face. अगर
but
हम
everything you have to
गवर्नमेंट
सोशलिस्टिक
ऐसा
अप्रोच से
प्रोवाइड कर रही है
देखेंगे,
means we have to fix it.
कि
अगर हम
आप लोग अपने पंप स्टेशन से नाइट में यूज करें
अगर हम सोशलिस्टिक अप्रोच से अगर देखेंगे तो हम बोलेगा कि ये फ्री होनी चाहिए, लेकिन हम एक कैपिटलिस्टिक अप्रोच से अगर देखेंगे तो ये
और
फ्री नहीं होनी चाहिए ना।
कंज्यूमर
I think
होनी चाहिए
I agree with that.
people give up कर
If
I
देते
also agree with your point, but I want to add one more point that the government ने ये mention किया है कि
and propagation to the last line of the customer. So to avoid unnecessary uses, it not be totally free. Up to certain threshold,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
can be
what
made, free.
No,
And
there
above
should be
that,
at
you
least
will have to pay.
minimum cost.
then after
There should be a minimum
I agree
price.
with that.
There should be a minimum price.
so
Like
it should be decided
we
because
can
rich
divide the
people can
society in
afford it,
three
they can
classes.
afford it, the
We can decide. We can divide the
given some tariffs,
there
some
should
tariffs
be
like
a limit.
below poverty line, and
All
also
we
below
cannot
poverty line we
provide
can
immediately
implement
unlimited.
zero
If
zero
it's
bill.
going to be misused,
the best example is Delhi model. I think when they grant free electricity, especially to poor class people, I think
Yes.
their children actually perform very well in education because they are actually
या
allowed
यहाँ
to
पर हम लोग
spend more money on their education.
जो
But while providing free we should electricity, also focus on the
government
facts
के लिए
like
हम
the
सिर्फ
government has mentioned that there 85%
I have
only
one
the
question here.
electric.
I have a question here. I have a question here. So how will you decide that someone is poor and someone is rich? How can you decide that?
it
We want the
We
categories
should
of
set
income
like
that
we
Already
should set
made
200
some
units
provision that
If you are just looking
below
because
just
rich
looking
takes
at their
their
government has
opinion,
mentioned that only
and
85% of the total
Yeah,
India gets
according to me,
electrified and there are still 15%, so we have to think about that 15% as well.
according to me,
it will
like we can decide
yeah.
like this: if
It
a
can
house
depend on
is
connected load.
consuming
If
only
there is a
50,
connected load,
no,
if
no,
there
no,
is
no.
a connected load,
If a household is consuming only 50 units per month, then it should be free. If the limit is reaching more than 300 or 400 units per month,
then
then
you should
it
pay.
will be
Then you should
that
pay.
can be
it should
approach.
be
Yeah.
competitive energy.
That's why government
yeah.
had made some
Like
threshold that up to that threshold, if you will consume, it will be free, and above that, it will
Yes,
tax it at normal
But
rate.
Yogendra, that's not the because everything bear a cost. So free should not be
Problem
like promoted.
देखो
Free
प्रॉब्लम यहाँ
freebies
पर ये
cannot
हो
be
रही है ना कि
promoted.
जैसे गवर्नमेंट जो है
The scheme
जो
is
पैसा
free.
पैसा
That means
गवर्नमेंट पे कर रही है उस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का
up
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
to
फ्री नहीं है
some
एक्चुअली
extent.
गवर्नमेंट को बाकी डेवलपमेंट पे पैसा
Government
करना चाहिए
Sandeep,
वो पैसा वो
government
कहाँ
पे
पर
कर रही है,
स्पेंड कर रही है
गवर्नमेंट पे कर रही है, बट वो कहीं ना कहीं और से बजट निकाल
बाकी
करके
डेवलपमेंट पे जो
कहीं
पैसा
ना
खर्चा होना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट वो उससे बजट निकाल कर गवर्नमेंट उसको क्रॉस
तो वो तो नुकसान
फ्री
नुकसान तो
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
जनता का ही हुआ ना उसमें।
इसीलिए इसको
indirectly
करेंगे,
loss है
इसका
हमारा।
ओवर
बट
एक्सप्लॉइटेशन
महंगाई भी बढ़ रही है
इसका
महंगाई से वो
और
actually उसको कंपनसेट कर रहे हैं अदर थिंग्स तो प्राइस बढ़ रही है
many political parties use as a tool to win the election also काफी सारी
या लाइक संदीप अगर हम देखें कि जैसे दिल्ली में भी फ्री चल रहा है ना कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्री है 200 यूनिट तक फ्री है, तो 200 यूनिट बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं मेरे हिसाब में। लाइक फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल रही है और लोग उस पे ऐसे ही चला रहे हैं, बताओ। जो बंदा जो हाउस होल्ड एसी अफोर्ड कर सकता है तो वो क्या फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए काबिल है? लाइक पीपल आर यूजिंग
यही इसी में तो मैंने पॉइंट इंट्रोड्यूस किया कि हमें एक फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन के साथ
जरूरी है कि थ्रेशोल्ड का जो हमने सेट किया है वो सही है।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ बेसिक नीड,
अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए। ये भी वो थोड़ा स्टेबल भी फाइनेंस है तो उसको कम यूनिट फ्री देनी चाहिए।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बेसिक नीड है आज की।
भी कम होगा तो उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा छूट दे सकते हैं। अगर जो छूट है उसके बाद मतलब उससे थोड़ा चार्ज भी ले सकते हैं, मतलब जो पुअर पीपल है उससे थोड़ा चार्ज लेंगे वो फ्री के बाद है। और जो मतलब
टू पार्ट टैरिफ बोलते हैं इसको ना, टू पार्ट टैरिफ बोलते हैं। वो होता है ऐसे ये कि प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी ये फॉर्मूला ही वर्क कर रहा है। लाइक प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी यही फॉर्मूला वर्क कर रहा है कि आपने कभी देखा होगा
कि कौन कितना स्टेबल फाइनेंशियली, किस तरीके किसका लोड है, इसके लिए कुछ प्रॉपर
विवेक जैसे भी हमने कहा कि हम ऐसे डिसाइड नहीं सकते कि आप गरीब है अमीर, क्योंकि इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री है आप रुपए दे करके भी अपना फेक सर्टिफिकेट बनवा सकते हो। आप अमीर होने के साथ साथ गरीब सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है मेरे अकॉर्डिंग वो यही है कि आप एक लिमिटेड मतलब आपने अगर किसी हाउस होल्ड में 50 यूनिट लग रही है तो उसको आप फ्री कर सकते हो, 100 तक आप फ्री कर सकते हो। लेकिन आप 200 यूनिट फ्री दे रहे हो और लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उस पर एसी यूज कर रहे हैं। एसी यूज करने वाला क्या इंसान गरीब हो सकता है? मिसयूज हो ही रहा है इसका। तो देयर शुड बी मिनिमम कॉस्ट एट लीस्ट।
फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मतलब डिस्करेज करते हैं कि सोलर पैनल को इंस्टॉल कर देगा।
Yes, I do agree with your point, but the government has mentioned that 85% of the rural India is electrified, but the rest of the 15% we can go for that approach. कि जो 15% लोग हैं जिनको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं मिल पा रही है, हम लोग उनको एक लिमिट सेट करके दे सकते हैं, तो वो काफी अच्छा एक अप्रोच रहेगा।
हमें लगता है कि बिजली जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो बहुत आराम से उत्पन्न हो रही है, आराम से जनरेट हो जा रही है।
बेनिफिट होगा।
जैसे हमको लगता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो आराम से जनरेट हो रही है और बहुत सस्ते दाम पे जनरेट हो रही है, लेकिन जब बात इसको जनरेट करने का तो सरकार जो इसको बहुत भारी खर्च उठा रही है इसका ना। तो इसको ऐसे आप जैसे आप एक एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक दिन के लिए अगर लाइट ना है ना, लाइक अगर हम किसी शहर में रह रहे हैं और एक दिन के लिए अगर लाइट ना है, अगर हम डीजल जनरेटर एक दिन चला करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज करते हैं ना तो हम शाम तक देखेंगे कि हमारा जो डीजल है 2000 रुपए का लग चुका है कम से कम। जब हम खुद से जनरेट करेंगे तो तब इसकी कीमत हमें पता लगेगी। तो अगर वो हमें मिल रही है वहां से
को हमको एक और चीज करना चाहिए, उसको जैसे सोलर के लिए मतलब जो नहीं इंसेंटिव है उसका
सोलर एंड
हम लोगों को अवेयर कर सकते
Yes, sir.
We can divide the entire like state or a country in three category. Like one household who is only consuming 50 kilowatt per hour per month. Like then the second class which are using 200 and more than units. Then the about 200 and all.
कितना लोड है उनके पास?
लोड के अलग अलग,
अगर उनका लोड बहुत ज्यादा है तो उसमें हम लोग
अगर एक परिवार है, एक गरीब परिवार है,
जो स्टेट में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्ज होता है वो भी उसका भी मतलब इम्पोर्टेंस है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्ज
हर स्टेट के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड की कंडीशन भी अलग अलग है। कई जगह के स्टेट के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड काफी लॉस में भी है। में देखनी होगी कि हर जगह पर फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकते।
In our state, the government is providing free to all farmers. That means every 8 to 10 hours they are providing free electricity to farmers.
प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर ऐसे अकर होती है ना कि गवर्नमेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो फ्री दे रही है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट जो बाकी चीजों पे एक्सपेंडिचर करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट वहां ना स्पेंड करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे स्पेंड कर रही है।
ऐसा होता है ना, देखो कुछ भी चीज फ्री नहीं आती है ना। अगर आप गवर्नमेंट अगर दे रही है लाइक
like the
आपका जो
crime
रेट
rate,
है
the
वो कम
crime
किया
rates
जाएगा,
will be like
तो स्मार्ट
lesser
मीटर
in
को
Yes.
रखने वाले
number, and
मुझे
I
लगता है
think
वो
ये जो फ्री
सोच है इसके
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
लिए।
देने का
यहाँ
है
पर
इसके लिए
एक आई थिंक या तो एक लिमिट होनी चाहिए कि एक मिनिमम लिमिट होनी चाहिए, या एक मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ हम भी चार्ज कर
If
सकते हैं कस्टमर से
if
जो
अगर अगर वो
Exactly.
आदमी पहले से
Speak,
पुअर है,
speak one
अगर
by
अंडर
one, one by
प्रिविलेज
one.
है, तो
Please,
वो
please one by one, one
उसके
by
पास
one.
उतना कंज्यूमिंग रहेगा ही नहीं,
तो वो दोबारा से जाके
उसके
मतलब
पास
रजिस्ट्रेशन
कंज्यूमेशन उतना रहेगा ही नहीं।
इस हिसाब से इसका पे
तो
जैसे
इसीलिए सर्टेन क्लास को
based
फ्री
on
किया जा
that
सकता है
load
आजकल।
we can decide it, I
ये
think.
तो ये तरीका है ना कि आप जो जो कम यूज कर रहा है उसके लिए फ्री कर दो, जो ज्यादा यूज कर रहा है उसके लिए आप चार्ज
या
रखो ना, मिनिमम चार्ज कम से
या
कम होना
हाँ,
चाहिए
तो
ना।
वो
या
मिनिमम थ्रेशोल्ड ऑलरेडी
कॉमर्शियल यूज
बताया
के
गया
लिए
है
कभी
इसमें,
भी
उसके
फ्री
बाद तो
कीजिए।
चार्जेबल है।
आप कभी अगर इस चीज
कॉमर्शियल
पर
यूज
आप
के लिए हम
ध्यान
बिजली
दोगे तो
फ्री
आपको
नहीं
पता लगेगा
रखेंगे।
कि
लेकिन
कोई भी
जो
चीज फ्री नहीं होती है ना। अगर आप आपको उसकी एक कॉस्ट देनी
जो बड़ा
पड़ती है, आप अगर
कंज्यूमर
यहाँ से नहीं तो कहीं और से आप दोगे उसको।
यस
अगर
हाँ
गवर्नमेंट उस
लेकिन
चीज पे
फ्री
सब्सिडी
बिजली
आपको
चलो
इसीलिए
प्रोवाइड
तो वो
करा
एक
रही है।
थ्रेशोल्ड है होना चाहिए।
प्रोवाइड टू द एवरी
लोड कंजम्पशन कितना है वो स्टडी करके हम पता कर सकते हैं कि वो
नहीं नहीं
पर्टिकुलर
मीनाक्षी,
Yes.
दिस विल बी अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस एक्चुअली, दिस
कंजम्पशन
विल
को
बी अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस।
डिवाइड
लाइक
करने का
we can we can
बेनिफिट
we
तरीका
can
ये है
check
कि
the
अच्छा
history,
तरीका ये
we
है कि
can
हम
we can check the
लोड
history of a particular
चेक
consumer,
कर
like
सकते हैं।
लास्ट 3 मंथ से वो कितनी यूनिट कंज्यूम कर रहा है।
लोड के बेसिस
अगर
पे
उसका
डिफाइन
Otherwise, we
कंटिन्यूअसली
can check
जो
the correct
यूनिट
load.
कंजप्शन
What
है,
are the equipments they are using? What are the equipments they are using?
ये स्टडी करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, मुझे लगता है इसको
नहीं
थोड़ा
नहीं लाइक हम उसके 3 महीने का रिपोर्ट चेक कर सकते हैं ना कि वो लास्ट 3 मंथ से कितनी यूनिट
ये
कंज्यूम कर रहा है
बेनिफिट
ना।
हो सकता है मे बी,
But the
लेकिन
maximum consumption also
अच्छा
changes.
तरीका ये है कि लोड के बेसिस पे
लाइक
कस्टमर को
अगर कोई
डिवाइड किया
कोई
जाए।
फैमिली है, लाइक
अरे
गरीब कोई
बट
परिवार है ना,
जो
उसके
यूटिलिटी
यहाँ
होगी
कितना
उसके पास
एक
भी तो
बल्ब जल रहा है,
कैपेसिटी
उसके
होनी
खाली एक
चाहिए
ट्यूबलाइट
सब
में
कुछ
पंखा चल रहा है ना, तो
सप्लाई
उसका
करने के
जो
लिए।
ऑटोमेटिक कंजप्शन है लाइट का वो कम हो जाएगा खुद से, है ना। जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजप्शन है उसका जैसे
Okay, friends, conclude now.
Okay,
Well,
we
thank you
would
for
like
giving
to
the
conclude
Friends,
this
that
topic.
let me
we
conclude
are
that
having a
I
mixed
agree with
opinion.
all of you that some
point
of
of view
you are on the opinion of
जैसे कि
then it is good, and some of you are not
कुछ
agreeing that it is bad for if you will make it free. So in certain finally we can conclude that for certain classes or some threshold value we can say that it is good to make electricity free, but up to for after certain threshold it is bad for making it free, because for nothing is free in this world according to all of our group discussion, that it will leads to some unnecessary uses, over exploitation, and already expenditure is incurring too much. So we can say that it can be make some free to some extent and chargeable to some extent. Finally, this one is our conclusion.
Okay. So, friends, let me give you the conclusion of this entire discussion now. Yogendra, you were continuously talking about one point, that was threshold, and you
Yes.
repeated this word many times. So don't repeat the things, and even the conclusion you started with threshold. That means in the entire group discussion, you are focusing only on one point, and that he considers not good. He considers is bad actually. That means you are not having any other point to contribute, only one point you are contributing. And in the conclusion, you should not only put forth your point first. You should put forth the points of others, and maybe you can add your point also somewhere. But
Sir, I
it should
had
not.
added that some unnecessary uses, over exploitation, and lots of expenditure incurring. These are points I had added on
But you
the
started
back.
with threshold, and that was
Yes.
the point you were continuously talking in entire GD.
Okay, sir.
3-4 times you use that. So
Yes.
my advice to all of you is, like, if you have already spoken one particular point, do not repeat it. You should not repeat somebody else's point for sure, but you should not repeat your own points also. Otherwise, GD में क्या होता है, तुम्हें 3-4 बार बोलना होता है. You have to speak minimum 3-4 times, and he expect that you will come out with a new point, not same point. तो इसका penalty होता है. He will give you penalty for repeating the things, and your case was that, Yogendra. So you should not do that. एक तो
Okay.
repeat नहीं करने अपने sentence, that is one thing. Second, you are not to start conclusion with your points. You should start with somebody else's point and अपने भी बीच में add कर दो. तो something like that you have to do. Third, you could speak in between. आप बीच में बोल रहे थे, वो ठीक है, कोई ट्रबल नहीं है उसमें, लेकिन ये एक इशू है आपका. जो कंफर्टेबली बोल पा रहे थे, जो those who were comfortably in position to enter was Nitin Maurya, and then it was Meenakshi. She was in position to come, and Akash Gaud also. They were comfortably coming, and at the time when others were listening. वो उनको बाकी सुन रहे थे. इनफैक्ट इन केस ऑफ नितिन, he at one point asked all of you a question, that I have a question for you. So friends, if you want to get attention of the group, then these are some tricks. Ask a question to the team, and the team may start answering your question, and you become center of entire attention. Second can be, if you give some kind of example or you quote some data, then entire group listens to you. So think of giving some example, some explanation, some story, some anecdote, some data, or ask a question to the group. That is the way you can silence everyone and you can give your point. So Nitin displayed that. Minakshi being girl, I mean her voice pitch is sharp and girls get attention. So she was, otherwise also she was persistent and she could enter. But Minakshi, if somebody has already started concluding, you are not to enter again. Like Yogender started concluding long back, and then after some time you also started concluding. Don't do that. Either you should be first and fastest, or you should not, intervene somebody. So if you want to introduce, if you want to conclude, friends, you should be first and fastest. First, because he gets the chance. And if somebody is introducing or concluding and then you cut him, तो उसकी पेनल्टी होती है. तो ऑब्जर्वर विल पेनलाइज यू फॉर डूइंग इट. अब वो उसकी सब्जेक्टिव ओपिनियन है, तुम्हें बाहर भी निकाल सकता है. तो दैट इज हिज सब्जेक्टिव ओपिनियन. Akash started introduction, and Akash said, okay, BPL people may get good, that is good for them, or maybe utility companies are in the loss. So he started making both points. But as I told you, Akash, introduction is something in which you introduce the topic to the group and you tell everyone how the discussion should go. It is not actually where you start giving the direct points. That is the body part. So what can be the best way to introduce this topic was, friends, my name is Akash, and the topic for the discussion today given is free electricity to people, whether it is good or bad. So free electricity, whether it is given to the people, it is good or bad, depends upon in which situation it is given free and to which people it is being given free. It should not be generalized things. So friends, let's discuss this entire topic. In the situations where if free electricity by government is being provided to some category of people, which really help those people and they need it, it may be good. But if it is given as only a political, commitment, as a political promise to general people who may not even need free electricity, then it is bad. So we will discuss this entire topic in these categories. Now I open the house for discussion. And whenever a topic is given to you, first ask yourself whether the answer to this is only by taking one side, no, it should not be given free, or it is a balanced answer. As I told you, there will be some section of people to whom government should give free. Why? Because free ration, our country has below poverty line people also and many poor people also. They cannot afford electricity. So suppose some person cannot afford, to pay for electricity, but he's a human being, he's a citizen of this country. Government may feel like giving, like a reservation, like subsidy on food, free ration is being given, free electricity is being given, reservation is being given. In all these topics, your view should be, point of view should be, if it serves the purpose, it is good. But if it is being given uh, for the sake of giving and it is not serving purpose, it is bad. If reservation as a positive discrimination is helping some section of the society because they were downtrodden section, then it is good. But if IAS officer, his son is also getting reservation of caste, he may not require it, that may not serve the purpose. So in such situation, you need to take a balanced opinion. Similarly, if I'm a rich man, I may not require free electricity, I can afford to pay. I mean, tax you should pay to the government. Otherwise, if you will make a general rule in which you start wasting the government resource, then it is not going to serve the purpose. So balanced opinion is required, friends. Then this Akash you spoke in between, that was good. But yes, try to make the balanced opinion. That is something which is required. Then Minakshi also came out with the points, okay, don't make it totally free and all. But then Minakshi elaborate more on that. Don't make it totally free. What do you mean by that? So totally free should be given only to those who cannot afford at all. Yes, it should be given in some kind of subsidy form. It should not be totally free to most of the people. In the subsidy form, it should be given or something like that. Those who can afford to pay more, they may be charged more. It should depend on place to place, city to city, town to town, something like that. Then Akhilesh said that okay, children, if of the poor people, children are provided this free electricity, they may perform good. So he was trying to take perspective, but Akhilesh, you need to clarify the statement. You need to explain it in detail what you mean to say. So whatever you want to tell, friend, if you do not complete it, incomplete sentence, if you leave incomplete only you tell, then it may not serve the purpose and it eventually may not be added to your point. So whatever you want to tell, just explain it in totality. So today we were largely silent. You're not participating much. You need to participate. So like Vivek is there, Sandeep is there, Akhilesh is there, you and Sai is also. I mean, you guys are well prepared. But today, because everybody is speaking and there was a lot of chaos, even Sandeep was speaking, but he was not audible. His point of view was he was not actually his points were not coming clearly. I mean, what he wants to say. So this kind of chaos can be there because the group is 11 people, 12 people, and 15 minutes. So this kind of chaos can be there. So friends, in these situations, you have to enter in the talk very fast and with a very straight sentence so that observer listens what you want to say. To the point, very straight and with pace, with speed. Suppose you start speaking very slow pace, then people may not listen to you. You may not be in position to complete the sentence, and observer will never understand what you wanted to say, and nothing will go to your credit. So in these kind of situations where very less time is given to speak and so many people are talking, the mantra is whatever you want to say, you think for a while and phrase that in your mind, small sentence, straight to the point sentence, and speak with the energy. That is what you are to do. That is how it has to be, right? Baki, Shubham, I think Shubham participation was very less. I don't know Shubham is here now. His participation he started very less. Arvind ka participation was very less today. Sai ka participation was less. So this is how the discussion was today. So this is the real type of discussion which you can come across there, though people don't speak that much there in actual, but the timings and the number of students are similar to that, and the format is also same. Now, anything you want to ask me?
सर
सर
मैं
ऑब्जर्वर कितने होते हैं?
मैंने रखा कैसे मतलब किसी ने जैसे मतलब सुना ही नहीं ऐसा लग रहा था सर, जबकि मैंने काफी मतलब वैसा पॉइंट जेन्युइन पॉइंट रखा था कि डिफरेंट टाइप के कंज्यूमर को डिफरेंट टाइप मतलब डिफरेंट एक्सटेंट तक उसको फ्री फ्री लगी एनर्जी मिलनी चाहिए। और दूसरा मैंने ये रखा था कि लोड पे भी डिपेंड है, किसका कितना लोड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी मतलब उसको उस हिसाब से फ्री, क्योंकि अगर डोमेस्टिक कोई है इंडस्ट्रियल कोई है तो हैवी लोड तो उस हिसाब से भी उसको इलेक्ट्रिक। सर मैंने पॉइंट रखा था पर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये
देखिए,
ऑडिबल ही
अभी
नहीं हुआ।
अगर आप पॉइंट को बहुत क्लियरली नहीं रखोगे और बहुत टाइम लोगे तो कोई सुनेगा नहीं, इसलिए आप क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में रख सकते हैं कि फ्रेंड्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक कैन लोड बी द क्राइटेरिया। मैंने वही
क्योंकि सर
क्वेश्चन के थ्रू
डोमेस्टिक
पूछो।
लोड जो होता है वो थोड़ा कम होता है, इंडस्ट्रियल लोड ज्यादा होता है, तो हम सबको एक जैसा
एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं
फ्री।
मांग रहे विवेक, एक्सप्लेनेशन कोई नहीं मांग रहा तुमसे। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
ओके
अपना पॉइंट कैसे रख सकते हो, आस्क क्वेश्चन कि फ्रेंड्स डू यू
ओके
थिंक लोड कैन बी क्राइटेरिया, जितना लोड कोई
ये
कंज्यूम करेगा। आई मीन आस्क द क्वेश्चन देन पीपल विल बी साइलेंट एंड आपकी
यस
बात
सर।
रखी जाएगी। तुम एक्सप्लेन करने लगोगे कोई पॉइंट तो तुम एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाओगे। हर कोई अपना अपना पॉइंट सोच रहा होता है, तुम्हारी बात को सुनने के लिए वहां बैठा नहीं होता। हर किसी को अपना बोलना होता है वहां। तो उनकी अटेंशन लेने के पॉइंट्स में तुम्हें पहले बता चुका किस तरीके से तुम अटेंशन ले सकते हो। फ्रेंड्स, मैं यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा उत्तर प्रदेश का, जहां पे सरकार ने ऐसा किया और फिर ये हुआ था। व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट? तो लोग सुनेंगे। आई मीन यू नीड टू गेट द अटेंशन ऑफ द पीपल, देन डू लाइक दिस। दिस इज
यस
द
सर।
मंत्र।
सर ऑब्जर्वर कितने लोग होते हैं? एक ही होता है या ज्यादा भी होते हैं?
ज्यादा होते हैं।
जैसे कि अगर हम कोई चीज ज्यादा बोले और सुन ही ना पाए, जैसे आज हुआ कि कई लोग बोले तो बाई चांस सिंगल में पर्सन में तो प्रॉब्लम हो
मैं
सकती है।
सुनता है, लेकिन ये भी एक देखो, यही चीज चेक करने के लिए बैठा है कि भीड़ में किसकी बात सुनी जाती है, ये तो आइडेंटिफाई करने बैठा है वो। और क्या चेक करता है वो?
हम्म,
सर अगर कोई
कि
जिसकी
अगर
सर
अगर
एज अ
अगर
ग्रुप भी
अगर
पॉइंट होते
नितिन
हैं, क्या
सुना जा
मतलब
रहा
है?
है, अगर नितिन
एज अ
मौर्य सुना
ग्रुप।
जा रहा है, तो नितिन मौर्य इसका मतलब कि अपनी बात भीड़ में भी रख रख पाएगा। यही तो चेक करने के लिए बैठा है।
सर अगर किसी स्लो मतलब आवाज है या स्लो पेस है फिर तो अगर उसके पॉइंट भी अच्छे रहेंगे तो वो ऑडिबल ही नहीं होंगे बीच में सर, वो तो ऐसे ही लिमिट हो जाएगा फिर तो।
देखिए ये तुम्हारी अपनी अब प्रैक्टिस है, तुम्हारा अपना कैपेबिलिटी है, तुम्हारी बात सुनी जाए, इसीलिए ये एक जीडी होता है। जीडी क्यों करवाया जाता है? मैं एक्सटेम्पोर ना करवा लूं, अदरवाइज एक्सटेम्पोर में हर किसी को चांस मिलेगा अपनी बात रखने का। लेकिन ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन है जिसमें क्योस फैलता है, और क्योस में किसकी बात सुनी जा सकती है? मेरे को वो मैनेजर चाहिए, शायद तुम्हें भीड़ में ही बोलने वाले लोग चाहिए, तो फिर वो आइडेंटिफाई करेगा उन, ये चीज
ओके
है।
सर।
कंपटीशन है यार ये, दिस इज योर, यू आर competing with each other, right or not?
यस
He will
सर,
take
यस
the
सर।
best one, he will take the best one. It is not, you cannot say that sir everybody should be given the fair chance. Why some people are speaking more and some are not being heard, so everybody should be given a chance. He is not sitting there for that, he's sitting there to eliminate people.
एक्चुअली सर अभी
सर
मैंने
ओरिजिनल
तो लास्ट ईयर जब वो मतलब जीडी वगैरह हुआ था तो उसमें जो मतलब जो ऑब्जर्वर थे उन्होंने बोला था कि आपको बोलना है मतलब इनके बाद ऐसे मतलब बताया गया था जो 2021 में हुआ था गेट के थ्रू सर।
बहुत से फॉर्मेट होते हैं, sometime he will give you the chance the way I used to give you the chance that everybody conclude. There are so many format of group discussion and so many reasons why they want it. They may look for someone who is very good in content or very good in solution. That is a group task is done. So you
Yes,
never
sir.
know what they want, what they want to observe. You will be ready for every format. So if you will give
Okay.
a chance to each one of you to speak, obviously you will speak that. But suppose you don't get chance and 15 minutes and speak, then also life is not fair, friends. Sometime their lunch is waiting and they are late, so they just give you 10-15 minutes, go get. Life is not fair actually that way.
Okay, sir.
उस
वो
केस में
अपना
सर
अपना
आपकी
टाइम
बात
होता
तो
है।
सही होगी कि
हाँ
आधे लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं, उस केस में बेनिफिट हो सकता है कि चार
हाँ।
पांच लोग ही बचे हैं, ज्यादा लोग तो
Sometime
सुनने
what
में
will
आ
happen,
सकते हैं।
two three people will come and they will not let anybody speak. They will sink and they will make sure you also sink with them. उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते, you can't do anything in that, right? So
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर।
that is, there are so many factors in the life, but you prepare. Whatever you can do, at least you should do that.
Okay, sir.
Anything else, friends?
सब 10:30 वाला
Yes,
सेशन है ना सर?
Yes, we have the
ओके
session.
at 10:30. At 10:30
We'll go for group task. We'll go for group task session.
पीटी वगैरह से
ओके
केस
सर।
स्टडी करवा दीजिए थोड़ा
Sir,
सर।
case study. Sir, can we do any case studies?
Case study is similar to
Yes.
group task, friends. That is a study. That is a topic he gives you, and you have to read that, and or from that topic you have to find the solution. So maybe we'll do case study similar to group task only, right?
ओके सर।
Go through the case studies and group task of previous sale which we have put on the YouTube. Just go through that. And here when you come for the practice speaking.
सर ये साइकोमेट्रिक क्या होता है सर? साइकोमेट्रिक डिस्कशन
कुछ नहीं होता, साइकोमेट्रिक एनालिसिस होता है, साइकोलॉजिकली दे विल चेक यू।
sir, actually I had enrolled for Exim Bank, or on that one there was psychometric test and interviews.
Nothing, psychometric checks is they will check your answer whether you're telling lie or not telling, those kind of psychological behavior.
ऑनेस्टी हो
So
गया।
be truthful, be honest, that's it.
Okay,
Be
thank you.
honest, be truthful. That is because they will check if you're telling lie, they will check it, and you should not do that. You should never bluff, you should never tell lie in the interview. Not revealing can be one thing, but telling lie is another thing. Like if you have done job for 6 months and you are not revealing that you've done job is one thing. But you are telling lie that you've done job, पकड़े जाओगे, then you'll be caught. Don't do that. So this is what is a psychometric, because they're so experienced, and when you say your voice, your eyes, everything will tell that you are hiding something. So they will try to catch you. They will try to take you there. So whatever you say, even if you say why you want to join sale, and you start telling theoretical things, they will understand it's a fabricated answer. You're not the reason. So that is not the reason you want it. Somebody started, why you want to join this? I want to serve the nation, sir. I want to do something big for society, this thing, that thing. He said, are you not interested in this company for high salary, good house, accommodation, growth? You don't want that? Yes, sir, I want that also. You want that only, or you want to serve the nation? Tell me honestly. They asked in an interview recently, भाई तुम्हें मतलब है सैलरी से, घर से, जॉब ग्रोथ से, तुम बोल रहे हो मैं सेवा करने जा रहा हूँ कंट्री, यू आर टेलिंग लाइफ फ्रेंड्स, he will catch you. जब तुम फ्लॉन्टिंग बोलोगे ना, he is so at senior level, why he, even he will tell कि वो ऐसे theoretical answer लेके आया है वो, he is telling the theoretical answer. So honesty should be reflected, simplicity should be reflected, and preciseness should be reflected. On the basis of that, they will cause you, they will give you value. See, it is quite human not to know the thing. I asked you a question and you don't have answer. Quite normal, very, very normal. Nobody is going to cut marks for that. But it is not normal to tell a lie. What were you doing 3 years? Your gap 3 years? Sir, I was just preparing. I was writing exam, but I could not finally make it up, sir. And because I was preparing, competition is there, so I thought keep on preparing. And I was clearing my written exams, so I did not deviate myself, kept on preparing. Honest answer. Nothing if you say, no, no, sir, this is what I did, this is what I did. Wrongly, you start saying, excuse, you start saying, sir, COVID was there, COVID came, and this happened, and that happened. That is excuse. So he'll catch you. He will say, no, he's making the excuse now. So
एक्चुअली सर
be
कई बार
honest,
क्या
be
होता है ना
straight.
कि वो जो इंटरव्यू ले रहे होते हैं उनके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन वो लोग ऐसे करते हैं, पता नहीं वो लोग जानबूझ के करते हैं, मतलब हमें दिखाने के लिए कि मतलब बेकार टाइप के हम लोग हैं, इस टाइप का मतलब वो लोग थोड़ा सा बिहेव
हाँ.
करते हैं।
That
अब
is
पता
not
नहीं ऐसा
pressure
क्यों
into you.
ऐसा रहता है।
That is, no, they mock you, they laugh at you, they mock you, they laugh sometime. Whatever you will answer, they will laugh. They are in the mood, they are in relaxed mood. सवेरे
तो
से बैठे
कई
हैं.
बार ऐसा रहता है कि मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं कौन ही आ गया इंटरव्यू देने, उन्हें एक बार को ऐसा वो फील
You are
कराते हैं कि मतलब
source of entertainment for them actually. Sometimes they will laugh at you, and you are not to lose your confidence there. If you don't lose your
उस
confidence,
केस में
if you
लगता है
become
कि
calm, if you remain calm, you don't lose your confidence, you be honest, you be to the point, then nothing can be wrong against you. Not knowing answer is not wrong, it is quite normal. Sir, they asked me for 10 questions and 3 4 I was not knowing, so I very humbly said, no sir, no idea. It's okay, quite okay. But the moment some student comes to me and says, sir, they asked 10 questions and I answered 20, I'm very sure he will not get selected. Sometimes students will say, he asked me 10 questions, sir, and I answered like anything. I am very sure that fellow has spoiled the situation. He must have answered anything. I mean, पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल के आ गया वो, मेरे को पता होता वो. तो तुम्हें नहीं बोलना है, एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बोलना है. Whatever is asking, you answer, and to the point you do, right? So just do that, friends, and be confident. Be. Chalo, I'll catch you in the night.